Hello everyone, welcome back to Protech Genius, your favorite tech channel. Well, this is me Suri Prakash, and in today's video, I'm yet back with another interesting title. That is, I'm going to actually show you guys how you can obtain a number in the TextPlus application in the year 2024. Well, I know I have already posted a video in this same title previously on 7th January, but right now there has been a certain update in the TextPlus application. The update was released on 6th March 2024. So with this update, there has been some bug fixes, and one of the huge issue with this application has been fixed. That is, previously we were unable to text people. I mean, we were able to text them, but not all the messages were actually getting sent to them. Some of the messages were not being sent to them. So with this update, that issue was fixed. And if you want to learn more about the TextPlus update of 2024 in detail, then please go take a look at the video which has been posted in my channel yesterday. That video's link is going to be available in the description of the first comment, so you can just go take a look at it. Now you may ask me what is the difference in the previous video and this video. Well, in the previous video I only showed you guys a method which actually focused on using two applications, TextPlus and NextPlus. Well, both of these applications are from the same company, TextPlus Corporation. Well, as you can see, both of them has the same database. As you can see, my TextPlus number is the same as my NextPlus number, so there is no difference between both of the databases. The only difference is that NextPlus is a newer update. I mean, newer application which focuses on fixing more errors, and it actually gives you some more new features. But right now, both of the application has the same features. I don't know what are the new features. Yes, the only difference which I faced was when I was using the Wi-Fi calling feature. Well, in that video, I actually told you guys to actually make an account in the TextPlus application, then go back or navigate back to the NextPlus application and actually solve this error. Oops, something went wrong. Please check your connection, try again in the NextPlus application. So obtaining the numbers in the NextPlus application gave us reduced amount of errors. Well, you may still face this error in the NextPlus application too, but I did not face any errors in the NextPlus application. If you go watch that video, you'll be more clear. That video's link is also going to be available in the description and the first comment, so you can just go take a look at it. That video, I mean, in that video itself, I was able to obtain a number like this. But in this video, I'm here again with another thing which you can do if you just fail in that method. The thing is going to be actually downgrading your application. Just remember, downgrading your NextPlus application. Downgrading your TextPlus is not working, but let's say the NextPlus application, this is the recent and the latest updated NextPlus application. The version is going to be 3.0.4. But what if you can actually use previous versions like 2.9.3, 2.9.2, or let's say the update which actually started causing the errors. To be more specific, the update which actually started causing this error, oops, something went wrong, was an update released in the month of October of 2023, I guess. Yes, I'm not sure about the date, but that was the time when this errors started occurring. But just remember, even if you are downgrading and using the NextPlus application, your app may crash. With actually the latest update, this error, that is unfortunately NextPlus or TextPlus app has been stopped, error is not happening. But if you're using the previous versions, if you solve one error, this error may happen. But this is if you just close and again open the application, it's going to work. So what I'm telling to you guys is go install an older version of the NextPlus application, obtain a number from that, and sign in using the same account in the TextPlus application like me, and you will be able to see the same number from the NextPlus application in the TextPlus application. So just obtain a number in the NextPlus application and use the latest version of the TextPlus application. Well, if you want to download the older versions, well, there are a lot of older versions. I would actually try to download all this, and I would give you, I mean, do not use this website which I'm visiting. I will try to upload the older versions in my blog where you can actually download and install it. So make sure to take a look at it. I would give the link to download the older versions there. So I would actually recommend you guys using version 3 was still with errors. Version 2.9.3 was the last version where we were able to use it without errors. That is, we did not face oops something went wrong error. So I recommend you guys using this version 2.9.3. So guys, that's it for today's video. I hope today's video was informative to you, and if you enjoyed today's video, then just go click on the subscribe button and the bell button near the subscribe button and the thumbs up button located below this video. And if you have something to say, then please feel free to leave your suggestions in the comment box. I would be glad to reply to each and every one of you. And I have something very important to share to you guys. The thing is, as of 2024, our channel got a huge update, and now you'll be able to find the join button and YouTube subscribe button. If you want to directly chat with me one-on-one, all you have to do is just pay $1 a month, and you can just directly interact with me via social media. All you have to do is go click on the join button and pay $1, and I could actually help you solve all your problems in real time. So guys, thanks for watching this video once again. It's me Surya Prakash from Protech Genius signing off. Let's again meet in the next video. Until then, bye.